Sure, all the streaming giants can give you a description of a movie, but there's only one streaming service out there that tells you why it crackles. Tell me why it crackles!
What keeps it crackling for me? Why am I still watching this movie?
Before I stay on my couch and push play,
Please tell me.
Tell me why it crackles! Tell me. A movie's description is a short paragraph about the setting and characters and the conflict that the movie centers around. But Crackle by Sony does you one better because they also give you why it crackles. It's a vaguer, shorter, drunken flyby of the movie, really. Let's go ahead and check some out. Tell me why it crackles! It's exactly like Mr. Holland's Opus.
Beautiful, 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 beautiful boy.
Except with Kevin James.
Hey, Kurt. You're pushing it.
And cage fighting. Whether you're ready or not, here comes the
Boom, here comes the boom. Ready or not, here come the boys from the south. It's all right, it's all right. Give him the best shot, Scott. Right here.
Tell me why it crackles! For our next movie, let's take a look at part of the trailer first.
Long ago, the Holy War destroyed a nation. Now, the past will meet the future, and only one man can stop the destruction. The Order.
The Order? Never heard of it? Well, it's basically the Da Vinci Code, except for it stars Jean-Claude Van Damme. Never seen Jean-Claude Van Damme in action? Well then, here's one of his greatest scenes. Instead of that other guy, and by other guy, you mean Tom Hanks? America's dad, Tom Hanks? National treasure, Tom Hanks. Thanks so much for watching, and be sure to like, share, and subscribe, and follow. And also check out Crackle. Maybe you'll find a why it crackles on there that you think is really funny. Go ahead and drop it in the comments for me. Maybe we'll do it next time when you're watching me telling you why it crackles. Oh snap! That really pops! Forget those lines, I'm at a loss. Where'd you learn to talk, a 90s boss?
You sound like an undercover cop who gets his slang from a cake hip-hop. You should know, that's not how the cool kids talk.
Your lines are played out and tired. Tell me what crackles like a log on a fire. Crackles. That's what I desire. Tell me why it crackles.
what keeps it crackling for me? Why am I still watching this movie? Before I stay on my couch and push play, please tell me.
Tell me why it crackles. Why not? Sony say, what makes this movie pop? Nah, Sony's too good for that, brah. Besides them crispy rice, them magnitudes be all over with lawsuits. Better pray they lawyer up. No need to get they coffin stuffed.
Cause magnitude's got nothing to lose, and who knows
what that community dude's willing to do. Why not? Sony say, this movie got me going all snap.
Get me talking out loud with some
Finger wax. What? It's Titus from Kimmy Schmidt, brought to you by Netflix, the only app that can get told fabulous. Tell me why it crackles.
What keeps it crackling for me? Why am I still watching this movie?
Before I stay on my couch and push play,
Please tell me.
Tell me why it crackles. Tell me why it. Tell me why it crackles. Tell me why it. Tell me why it.